Building geometries for thermal analysis is hard. Picture this. As a spacecraft engineer, you've been asked to conduct a thermal analysis on the preliminary design of a satellite. You've been given a step file as well as material property data. How do you go from this raw data to something that is discretized, idealized, and ready for thermal analysis? What methods are suitable? What assumptions are appropriate? Welcome to the world of geometry construction for thermal analysis. In this 4-week long course, you will learn the techniques to build your thermal model. You will be given a unique opportunity to understand the concepts of geometry simplification and its applications in thermal analysis at spacecraft, equipment, and unit level. In this workshop-style course, you will delve into the importance of geometry simplification, understand its critical nature within the spacecraft design process, and learn how to effectively reduce the complexity of a satellite geometry for accurate simulation. You will also learn about the different operations necessary for the construction of a thermal model. With hands-on exercises, you will develop a deep understanding of the different assumptions, operations, and techniques involved. The course also covers the topics of thermo-optical and material properties, as well as meshing for thermal analysis. Alongside expert instructors, you will learn the importance these steps play on your thermal analysis. So, if you want to learn about geometry construction for thermal analysis, join this exciting, interactive 4-week online course. Enroll now and become a confident thermal engineer, armed with the tools and methods you need to successfully build thermal models.